In this tutorial, we will cover how to use a whiteboard in Engage. To add a whiteboard from your IFX library, open your menu or tablet, and then select IFX. In the search field, enter Whiteboard or Blackboard, and then select the magnifying glass icon. Select one of the available IFX. Move your mouse or right controller to position the IFX, and then left-click or press the right trigger to place the IFX in the scene. To add a whiteboard from your drawpad, open your drawpad. Select the Whiteboard tab. On the Whiteboard tab, select Create New. Move your mouse or right controller to position the whiteboard IFX, and then left-click or press the right trigger to place the IFX in the scene. To draw on a whiteboard when you use a desktop device, complete the following steps. Move your avatar within approximately 9 feet of the whiteboard. Move your mouse cursor over the whiteboard, and then select the Draw button that appears. You can draw directly onto a whiteboard in VR, as though it were in your physical space. To do so, complete the following steps. Move your avatar within approximately 9 feet of the whiteboard. Use the ray from your hand controller to select Draw. A tool palette appears and is connected to one of your hands. The other hand is your drawing hand. To draw, move the touch cursor on your drawing hand into contact with the whiteboard. Hold down the trigger button, and then move your hand. To connect your draw pad to a whiteboard, open your draw pad. Select the Whiteboard tab. On the Whiteboard tab, select Connect. In the location, select the whiteboard that you want to connect to. On a desktop device, click on the whiteboard. On a VR device, target the whiteboard with your hand controller and then press the trigger button. That's it. Now you're ready to start using whiteboards in Engage.